What's up, guys? I'm really excited today because we are testing out the Keychron K2 HE 75% magnetic switch keyboard. And guys, yeah, check it out. And we have the Nebula linear switches in this one. Guys, this keyboard won the CES Innovation Award. I'm excited, guys. It's got a lot of hype coming into this. Let's see what it's all about. Hold on. Whoo, guys. Guys, look at this. How amazing does this look? This right here and this right here is real cherry wood, okay? And aluminum case. Guys, this Keychron K2 HE does not disappoint. Take a look at this. How beautiful is this keyboard? That's really the word I'm going to use here. How beautiful it is, okay? Now, in the box, you get this 75% magnetic switch keyboard, and you get a ton in the box. Hold on. You get the user manual. You get the quick start guide. You get the USB-A to USB-C charging cable. You get extra keycaps. These are the Windows keycaps. More on that in a second. You get an Allen key and a screwdriver. How cool is that? You get the dongle for the 2.4. More on that in a second. And a keycap puller and a switch puller. Okay, guys, back to the keyboard. Well, guys, check this out. This is a tri-mode keyboard, okay? And this switch down here allows you to switch between the 2.4 gigahertz, the Bluetooth, and having this wired. So you saw that USB dongle in the previous section. And guys, right here, you can switch between Windows and Mac-based layouts, right? So I showed you those additional keycaps. Right now, this is built for Mac, but you can swap out these keycaps for the Windows keycaps. So guys, look how nice this looks. And it feels so like heavy and sturdy and premium, okay? Now, let's go set this up because I want to see the lights and I want to hear how it sounds. Okay, guys, so I have the Keychron K2 HE set up, and yes, plugged in, this looks even better. The RGBs on here are super bright. So all you have to do is press the function and the Q to basically swap out the RGB backlights. Look at that. So function and Q. And there are a ton of different settings in a super, super bright backlight, guys. One quick thing to note here, okay? So this is a Hall effect keyboard. That means these switches are magnetic. And because they're magnetic, you have a lot more control, okay? So Keychron does actually have a launcher. It's an application that you can use to really customize the actuation of these switches. Here, check this out, guys. This is the Keychron launcher application. And as you can see here, you can set the actuation difference. You can actually set rapid triggers. There's a trigger demo here, which, by the way, here, watch this. Watch this. Let me just zoom in here on the on this trigger demo. Here, watch. So if I'm actually just pushing it slightly, you can see I have complete control over how far the trigger works. Guys, absolutely amazing, okay? You have a ton of other features on here, right? Like you can map the keys, there's some backlights, there's macros all on here. But guys, more on that in a future video. Back to the keyboard. Looks absolutely amazing. And guys, this keyboard just looks high-end, okay? I love the RGBs, but everything about this keyboard just screams like elegance. Anyway, let's do a sound test. There you have it, guys. We just heard the sound of the Keychron K2 HE keyboard, and I want to say super creamy, okay? Love, love, love the sound of this keyboard. All right, so let's recap here, guys. You have the cherry wood side rails, okay? Looks really amazing. This won the CES Innovation Award, and you can see why. Tons of features packed in a 75% magnetic switch Hall effect keyboard, guys, okay? You have the Keychron launcher, which allows you to completely customize everything in this keyboard. You have amazing PBT keycaps. You have an amazing RGB backlight, and you have the creamy sound of the keyboard. Guys, overall, guys, this keyboard lives up to the hype. Again, guys, the Keychron K2 HE Hall Effect 75% magnetic switch keyboard is an absolute 2 thumbs up, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. Hit me up in the comments. I'll catch you guys on the next one.